Attention dropshippers! Ready to skyrocket your sales? Today, we're unveiling a powerhouse strategy to supercharge your dropshipping store. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide to master the art of dropshipping marketing. Step 1. Define your target audience. The foundation of any successful marketing strategy? Knowing your audience. Dive deep into demographics, interests, and buying behaviors. This insight is your secret weapon to tailor your campaigns precisely. Step 2. Develop a marketing plan. Now that you know your audience, let's craft a blueprint. Your marketing plan will be your guiding star, detailing goals, audience specifics, budget allocation, and the precise tactics to get you there. Step 3. Build a strong brand. Your brand is your beacon. Craft a compelling story, design a logo that speaks volumes, and ensure consistency across all touch points. A strong brand builds trust and loyalty. Step 4. Optimize your website. Your website is your virtual storefront. Make it inviting, easy to navigate, and optimized for conversions. A seamless user experience translates into higher sales. Step 5. Search engine optimization, SEO. Time to be seen. Nail down SEO techniques. Research your keywords, craft compelling product descriptions, and build quality backlinks. This elevates your store's visibility in search engine results. Step 6. Content marketing. Content is king. Create value-packed content that educates, entertains, or solves problems. From blog posts to engaging videos. This builds trust and attracts potential customers. Step 7. Social media marketing. Social platforms are your playground. Identify where your audience hangs out and make a splash. Engaging content, targeted ads, and genuine interactions your keys to brand awareness and traffic. Step 8. Influencer marketing. Tap into influencer power. Connect with influencers who resonate with your audience. Genuine partnerships, be it reviews or giveaways, can catapult your product into the limelight. Step 9. Email marketing. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted email. Build your list and nurture those leads. Offer incentives and valuable content. This keeps your audience engaged and fuels repeat purchases. Step 10. Analyze and optimize. The final stretch. Dive into the data. Use tools like Google Analytics to track metrics. Monitor traffic, conversion rates, engagement. These insights guide your adjustments for maximum impact. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to mastering dropshipping marketing. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. Stay updated, test, and refine your strategies for lasting success. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more actionable insights. Until next time, happy dropshipping!